I'm Deguzman, and welcome to vlog number 7.
Luma, wait, take it again. You say your thing and then your name.
I'm Deguzman, and welcome to vlog number 7.
No,
Sabay.
we're gonna... Welcome to... Okay, Mom, let's go.
Okay.
Okay,
Well,
say vlog number 7 at the same time. Wait, nagre-record na ba? Welcome to vlog number 7! This is my mom,
Deguzman, and my son,
Miguel!
Hi! So, we're going to show you na nakapag-vaccine na yung mga anak ko.
Oh no, the vaccine has something on effect!
Si Miguel and si Mateo. So, the first vaccine, anak, was on Feb 10. And
Yes.
then yung second vaccine nyo was March 3. So, the reason why I brought you here, kasi I'm very, very proud of you.
Yeah, we're in Clark now. That's why.
Yeah. Actually, nagulat ako kasi nung first vaccine, pumasok siya doon, nung first vaccination, pumasok siya, and then paglabas niya, tapos na daw siya. And yung second rin, hindi siya natakot, tapos na-injection siya kaagad. Kasi in the past, matatakot din siya when he was smaller. Oo, kapag ka meron siyang dinidextro siya, ganun. So, today, anak, I want to ask, why were you so brave during the first and second dose? Bakit napaka-brave mo nun?
Because Mom, Papa said whenever you like the Deguzmans don't cry again. So I was like, I don't want to show all the people I'm crying when I'm already 8 years old. I'm like, I should just do it in my head and then like,
So, are you saying that it's all in the mind? If you tell yourself that everything will be okay, then you will be okay?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying? What is your advice to other kids who are scared to get their first and second dose? Any advice for them?
Don't be scared. It's okay. As long as you get protected. It's not all about being brave. It's just about being protected.
You're saying that you are thinking of it, you're thinking of the benefit.
Yes.
That you're going to be protected.
Yes.
That's why you went for it and you were not scared and had the vaccine.
Yeah.
I want to say thank you to the Lingad Memorial Hospital for giving Miguel and Mateo their first and second dose. Kasi, you know, lining up, anak, is part of it talaga. Diba, we always tell you and Papa that we have to wait, we have to be patient.
Yeah.
Sige, you comfort him. Comfort him.
I know it hurts a bit, and it's a bit terrifying for you, but it's not that enough. It's okay, man, don't cry.
There are stars. There.
Just look at him.
Oh, make him happy.
Done.
Finish!
Done.
3 weeks later.
Show Mateo how brave you are.
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Look at the camera na. Say, Kuya, you can do it. Tapos ka na. You're done. Ay, what do you need?
Am I done now? Don't mind the scary scream thing, or are you in your neck?
Matt. Can you give me a thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Okay, don't worry. I don't want to do it.
You need to have the vaccine or else you cannot go to school.
I don't want to do it forever.
Hindi ko siya mamaya.
I am.
You're brave nga eh.
I'm not
said you're strong? Yes, you are. Pero mabilis na ako nagtatapos na. Vaccination card. Pagka na ano ka dito anak, tapos ka na. You're done. I don't need to go home now.
A few moments later.
O, diba? Nakaraos na. Ay, sorry. Sige, na kayo.
Okay, thank you, Ate, for assisting us.
Thank you, ate.
You're so brave. So brave. Good job. Now we can go swimming. We can go to Clark.
A few moments later.
Do you feel stronger now?
Okay.
You are complete with the 2 doses of the vaccine. Can I see how strong you are? Oh, seems like he's thinking about something. Miguel? You're strong. Good job, anak. Good job. Did a good job. So proud of you. How about Kuya?
Mom, it looks like we're in a house pag tinakpan ko yung tree.
So you had your first and second dose.
Yeah.
First dose was Feb 10 and then second dose was March 3. And the doctor said you're now allowed to go out.
Yay!
You just have to be extra careful still.
Okay.
You need to wear your mask. I just remove it just for the vlog purposes. For this vlog so that we can see you. So I'm so proud of you. I want you to know that. And we are here. What can you say? Where are we?
Where are we?
Clark!
Clark!
Hey! Be careful na. There. So this is Clark. Bye! Hi, remember what the doctor said? You're now allowed to go out because you had your first and second dose. What can you say about that? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Congratulations, anak!
A
few moments later.
Thank you taking sa video, tsaka taking care of us. Tsaka for always taking care of me when I was still 4 years old. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Yan. So, thank you, Ate Rica.
4 years. Yeah.
Thank you, Ate Rica, for taking the video. So, si Rica yung nag-take ng mga videos nung nagpapavaccine sila. And, ayan, today, siya rin ang nag-take ng intro and outro. Thank you for watching vlog number 7. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kasi nag-enjoy kami ni Miguel. And thank you so much, anak, for being part of this vlog. And thank you for being brave. And thank you for sharing to other children na dapat they should not be afraid.
Yeah, and subscribe to my mom.
Ay.
Hit the...
Okay.
Wait. Hey. Hit the bell icon. Hit the bell icon. Flip your phone around. Press the subscribe button and make it gray because that's the Sun Life way. And also, hit the like on this video right now.
Till the next vlog.
Bye!
Nung nalaman ko na available na yung 5 to 11 na vaccination sa mga bata, although bago nun, tanong ako ng tanong, kailan ba magiging available yung vaccination para sa mga anak ko? Kasi Mateo is 5 and Miguel is 8 years old. Pero nung lumabas naman na available na yung COVID vaccine para sa mga 5 to 11, natakot din ako. So sabi ko, naku, mauna na lang yung iba kasi mamaya anong mga mararamdaman ng anak ko or kung ano yung mga side effects niyan or symptoms na maramdaman nila. So, what I did, I reached out to relatives na doctors and relatives, mga, first cousin ko, thank you to Antea Lugenang kasi I also asked her na safe ba yan? And nakampante akong safe siya kasi yung anak niya, kasing edad rin ng anak ko. And kung siya, ipapavaccinate niya yung anak niya, so ibig sabihin, agree siya na maganda ang effects ng vaccine. So, what are the things that influence me na para ma-vaccinate yung mga anak ko. Unang-una, ayokong ma-experience nila yung severe COVID symptoms. Kasi sa mga nababasa ko, yung mga pass away or yung mga talagang nahirapan are people na hindi vaccinated. So that's one. Second is, kapag nag-face-to-face schooling na, hindi ako makakampante if papasok sila na hindi sila vaccinated. Pangatlo is to really improve their lifestyle. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng lagi ko na lang silang tinatago sa bahay. So ngayon, after the vaccination, lumalabas na kami kasama sila. Pero syempre, we still observe yung safety measures na magsusuot pa rin ng mask. So bago kumain, mag-wash pa rin ng hands. Pero mas kampante na ako. So I'm very happy with my decision. And ganun lang naman, as parents, we always want to choose wisely. Hindi naman tayo yung basta-basta na lang na magdidesisyon just because other people are doing it. So ano yung na-experience nila right after the vaccination? Pagkatapos, pinagparacetamol ko na sila agad. And nung night na yon, after one dose, nagpa-take pa ako ng isa pa. And yung usual reklamo lang naman nila when I was asking them kung anong nararamdaman nila is yung bigat yung braso na na-inject. And that is just normal. Si Mateo, on his second dose, nagkaroon siya ng mga times na masakit yung ulo niya. So, nung sumakit yung ulo niya, siguro mga on the second day after the vaccination and on the third day. Pero after taking paracetamol, okay na siya. Yun lang yung naramdaman nila dun sa vaccination. Wala namang major na nangyari. Wala namang nilagnat sa kanilang dalawa. And I'm very happy na tapos na sila sa dose 1 and dose 2. So, thank you, Jose B. Lingad Memorial Hospital, sa pag-accommodate sa amin, and natapos din yung dose 1 and dose 2 ng mga anak ko. So, kayo, think about it, read, if hindi ka pa ganun ka komportable, kung gusto mong ipavaccinate yung anak mo, research some more, and then ask people, and just do what you feel is best for your child. Yeah. So, ako, I chose to have them vaccinated, and for me, that is choosing wisely. So, yun, always choose wisely.